Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by choosing tender green tea leaves. The why is flavor and color. Young leaves yield the brightest powder. Once picked, wash and pat them until only damp. Make sure not to soak, because excess water ruins texture. Blanch the leaves in boiling water for 10-15 seconds to stop oxidation. This preserves green color and delicate aroma. After blanching, cool immediately in an ice bath. Next, you'll remove as much water as possible before drying for grinding. Once done with cooling, dry the leaves completely. Moisture is the enemy of fine powder. You can spread them on a baking tray at 85-90 degrees C for 10-20 minutes or air dry until brittle. The why is to prevent clumping and rancidity. Next, pulse in a spice grinder or high-speed coffee mill in short bursts to limit heat buildup, and pause between pulses. Make sure to sift the result through a fine mesh. Reprocess any coarse bits until you get to finish. Transfer the green tea powder into an airtight, opaque container. You're blocking light and oxygen, which degrade flavor. Store in the fridge or a cool, dark place and label with date. The powder stays best for 4-6 weeks for peak color and aroma. If you find clumps later, it's likely moisture. Spread the powder thin, dry briefly at low heat, then regrind to restore texture. If flavor seems bitter, reduce blanch time next batch to limit bitterness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.